All right. Hallucinogenic plant matter has been found in ancient temples in the Philistine city of Gath. Gath is the home of Goliath the giant. And also, when young David was running away from King Saul was trying to assassinate him because he feared his popularity with the people. David went to the city of Gath, the enemy Philistine city of Gath, and pretended to be a lunatic. And they told the king there's a lunatic at the gate. And he said, "What? We need more lunatics around here?" So King David didn't want to be recognized, so he pretended to drool and act mentally ill. Anyway, in the religious temples in the Philistine city, they found LSD like plant matter.
Or Gath. This was a Bar-Ilan University research paper. And basically what they did was they took plant matter from two temples, two Philistine temples that were found at this site, one of them dating to the 10th century and another to the 9th century BC. And both of them destroyed during the late 9th century BC. So really early Philistine temples, and they found some plant matter, plant residue remains in these temples and studied them and found them to be hallucinogenic and having evidently served some kind of a ritual function in these Philistine temples. So, for example, one plant or plant matter was from the chaste tree, which is a known hallucinogen and it's an aphrodisiac and an anesthetic. And the other plant object that they found was poison darnel, which that one is a hallucinogenic fungi, which contains LSD alkaloids. So you can get a sense of the kind of ritual stuff going on in the Philistine temple cult. And while the Bible doesn't talk directly about hallucinating Philistine priests, there is a potential link in Isaiah 2 verse 6. It talks about the Philistine soothsayers and denounces these soothsayers. And the word soothsayers is ananim in Hebrew, which, Hebrew, that's the word for clouds, and it's this link to clouds. And so perhaps there is some kind of etymological link between the two in the sense of soothsaying and perhaps getting to that state through inhaling these kinds of substances.